everybody. They are here, and this is our hearth pad that we selected. So the stove is actually going to be in the corner over here. So I really do like this. It matches the floor really good. So I will be back in a moment. All right, they are bringing it in. I'm excited. I'm excited. It looks so pretty. I know. Okay, guys. Here she is. I am so excited. Let me get a little closer so you can see the details on this stove. Okay. So yay, yay, yay. They are getting started with it, so I will keep coming back until it's complete. All right, guys. They have started to get the ceiling together to get the piping all together. So it's coming along pretty smoothly. All right, guys, look at that. It is almost complete, but Benjamin has me coming outside to see.
Yeah, but I was wondering how you're doing now.
Oh, wow, look at that.
That's good.
That's really intense.
Uh-huh.
Look at that. It's cold out here, too. I can't wait to get this up. Be back in a minute. Well, hello, everyone. Look, it is all done. I am so excited and so happy that it is all complete. And it is the perfect size stove for our family room. So right now we're just doing the small fires with kindling and all of that. But I just wanted to come back on and show you it being completed. I'll probably do another video. Well, hello YouTube. As you can see, they have completely installed everything. It is fantastic. The stove fits perfectly and will definitely meet all of our needs as far as having an extra heat source in our home. It didn't take them long at all to install it. So would you say about an hour and a half? Yeah, about an hour and a half in and out. They were done. So we're just kind of seasoning it with doing the small burns first. And yeah, but I love it. I love it. I love it. Very, very glad that we got this. So that is it, folks. I just wanted to come back on and show you this. I'll probably take some pictures of it when it gets dark later on just to see how beautiful it looks. So, as always, I will see you guys on the next video.